New information this afternoon, the man Duluth police say shot and killed 4 people before turning the gun on himself, had a history of mental health issues. That's according to a report filed by police this summer. According to a report filed on July 3rd, police responded to a call involving Anthony Nephew. He told the responding officer that earlier in the evening, he held a knife to someone's throat, although a weapon was never found. Nephew also indicated that he had been diagnosed with schizophrenia in the past 5 years. Now, on November 7th, Nephew murdered his 2 sons and their mothers in 2 homes in West Duluth. Police then found him with a self-inflicted gunshot wound.